Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. A happy Sunday to you all my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to see the styles that are ranging from the pixie to the thin winny afro to the body, and this hairstyles are for beautiful black women over 50. So if you really want the short hairstyles that when you want to appear or stand out, maybe you want to come out in that crowd, all eyes will be on you, this style is a perfect go-to for your natural hair. I want to wear the styles today is that they are perfect for an everyday hairdo. You can see with a few coils added, and I love this color. You can see this color, that platinum, is really making this woman look so fun and fierce, you know, because by adding those few coils you can always come out looking so beautiful. And whether I use this blonde or purple color or red or this color on the screen, you're going to come out looking so beautiful and looking so edgeless. One thing with these styles is that they are really great for really spicing up your standard platinum, or let's say this platinum pixie haircut, because these hairstyles are for beautiful black American women and is a way for you to stand out and always express yourself. One thing about the style is that it's so gorgeous. Excuse me. It's so gorgeous. I need to add some major pop into your life. So with this beautiful gorgeous short hairstyle, one thing with this style is that it will make every black woman to look simple but classy. So one thing with the styles today is that they're going to make your day, and I recommend the styles to every beautiful black woman. So always add a freak streak or a few streaks of maybe lighter color if you wish, or carry it natural, because this kind of style is that kind of style that will always enhance your hair texture. I also love this, is so classy. You can see how it took many years of her age, and this kind of hair will add more bounce and body, you know, to your hair. This coily twirl is another beautiful hairstyle that will make you look stylish, and it's the kind of style that will suit those beautiful black women out there, because this extra short cut is a beautiful way to show off your coily hair. And I love this color. You can see this is brown color, and it suits her chocolate skin. So you can see coloring your hair at this very low hair also take less time than coloring longer coils. So you can see how beautiful she looks even at her age. The hair really took many years of her age. And one thing with this style is that it's really a trendy low maintenance hairstyle that is perfect for black women with short hair. And this style, you can see it features that close cut, you know, with you can see how bold and edgy this haircut looks. See how this hair took short. I would say it took 30 years of her age. I want to with the style and the platinum is that it embraces her natural grace, providing that unique touch. And this kind of style can complement a variety of skin tones. And one thing with the hairstyle is the best for individuals. If you're looking for that chic haircut, that effortless look that doesn't require daily styling, I would advise you to go for this easier regular maintainer, because you can just apply just a simple relaxer, and the relaxer will help soften your natural coil pattern and texture, and it will be easier for you to style this beautiful haircut. So with this in mind, let me let you guys to serve all the styles we have for you. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay locked to Wendy Styles, and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can do. What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not